The hummingbird, one of nature's tiniest marvels, beats its wings up to 80 times per second. Its energy and precision allow it to hover, dart, and pollinate flowers with remarkable skill. As the sun rises, the forest awakens, and with it, the hummingbird begins its day. A tiny spark of life amidst the petals. Before it takes flight, the hummingbird stretches its wings and warms its muscles, preparing for a day of feeding, exploring, and vital work in the ecosystem. With wings beating faster than the eye can follow, it lifts gracefully into the morning air, demonstrating agility unmatched in the bird world. Each visit to a flower provides nectar for the hummingbird and spread pollen to ensure new blooms. In this way, it plays a critical role in plant reproduction and forest health. Not all of its diet is nectar. Tiny insects provide essential proteins, helping the hummingbird maintain its incredible energy for hovering and long flights. With a remarkable patience, it crafts a cup-shaped nest from spider silk, moss, and leaves, creating a cradle that is barely larger than a walnut. Inside this delicate home, tiny chicks wait hungrily. The mother tirelessly delivers nectar and insects, ensuring the next generation thrives. Every action ripples through the forest. Pollination gives rise to fruits. Fruits nourish animals, and insects thrive, creating a living web that sustains countless species. The seeds the hummingbird helps spread grow into new plants, providing food and shelter for birds, insects, and mammals, creating endless cycles of life. As the sun sinks over the forest, her tiny silhouette reminds us of a powerful truth. Protecting this little bird means protecting the blossoms, the fruits and the forests that sustain life for us all. As it darts through the forest, invisible threads connect every creature and plant, showing how even the smallest wings can guide an entire ecosystem. The web of life is fragile, and the hummingbird, small but mighty, helps hold it together.